Hello everyone, welcome to this question which tests on approximation and errors. We are told the length and the breadth of a rectangle is found to be, so length is found to be 4.5 and the width is found to be 2.2 meters. So you have to find the percentage error in its area. So to do that, first of all, we find the limit. So maximum length will be 4.15 and the minimum length will be 4.05. Then you go to the width. So maximum length is 4.15. What you do, you want the absolute error. Absolute error in each of these cases is 0.05. So for the maximum, you want the absolute error. So we add here 0.05 to get 4.15. We subtract the same on the length to obtain this. Then maximum width will be given by 2.25 and the minimum width will be given by 2.15. Then from there now we obtain the next step is we are going to obtain a maximum area, which will be given by maximum width, maximum length times maximum width. So we have 4.15 times 2.25, which will give you, after multiplying that, will give you, it is going to give you 9.3375 square meter. Then a minimum will be given by minimum length, which is 4.05 times minimum width, which is 2.15, which will give you 8.7075 square meter. Then the next thing, you get working area, a working, which is the value given, which is length is 4.1 times width, which is 2.2. When you multiply that, it will give you 9.02 square meter. Then from there now we get absolute error. Absolute error will be given by it will be given by maximum area minus minimum area we divide by 2, which is equal to 9.3375 minus 8.7075. You divide that by 2. And after doing that, the result will be 0.315. Then finally it is to get the error, the percentage error. So percentage error will be given by the absolute error, which is 0.315, divided by the actual area, which is 9.02. You multiply by 100, and after simplifying that, it will give you 3.492%. So that is our percentage error in the area. So I recap what we have done. So the working area is given by the number which are here directly. length of a rectangle is, area of a rectangle is length times width. So that is why here we have working area as this. So to obtain the maximum length, you want it with absolute error in length, which is half of the smallest possible value to be measured. And in this case, it is 0.05. So you want here, to get the minimum length, you subtract the absolute error in length. In width, you do the same. You want the absolute error in width, which is 0.05, and you subtract to get the minimum width. Then from there now, you multiply maximum length times maximum width will give you the maximum area. Minimum width length times minimum width. So minimum width times maximum length will give you the minimum area. Then to get the error in area, it is area maximum minus area minimum, you divide by 2, and the result is as given here. So to get the percentage error, they will be given by the error divided by the working area, which is 9.02, and you multiply everything by 100, and in our case, it will give you 3.492%. So thanks so much for taking your time in this study. For more such learning, kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may keep on learning together. Remember, you can always subscribe to this channel. Also, you can make any comment on any other area which you could be facing challenge, and then I'm going to start with for us. Bye bye. See you in the next presentation as we keep on learning.